Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you awesome AI tools that's called AI is. It's a super cool AI tools for your daily project. If you are a graphic designer or for your daily tasks, it will help you in a lot. Now I'm going to introduce you with full AI tools. Here you can see 10 AI tools that's this AI website provided. First we gonna use AI object remover. Okay, try AI object eraser. Click here. It's 100% free, no premium, no cost, no pricing tabs is available anywhere, so you can feel free to use it. Okay, now first I upload image here. Okay, I upload this image. Okay, in the picture you can see in the sidebar someone, and here someone. Okay, one more thing I want to show you. In this picture here is something. Okay, then here is a lake. You can see I want to remove this. If you want to remove this object, and this object, and this object, simply I click on rectangle, and here I use this. I'm going to zoom it. You can zoom it and zoom out by your mouse cursor. Okay, and zoom out, and here I take another rectangle for this and another rectangle for this. You can use brush tools if you like to do, but I like to use rectangle. Okay, here I remove background object also. Now if I click on remove, that you will see magic will happen. Okay, it's removing. See, no object is found here, all is gone. Wow, it's really cool, right? Okay, you can simply download it. First time if you download it, then it will ask you for sign up or sign in. Then you simply sign up and sign in. Okay, I download this current image and I'll show you. You can see no object is found here. Everything is cool, like. Okay, next tools we can use is image watermark remover. Okay. Now I'm going to put this image. Here you can see allow me watermark on the pixel. Okay, I want to remove this, so but just simply click on remove. It will do by itself. Okay, removing. Okay, you can see watermark is removed properly. Okay, now I can download it, the current image. Okay, please wait. Okay, it's download. If I show you a big screen, then you can see no watermark is found here. Wow, it's really cool, right? Next we're going to another tools, that's face swap. It's amazing tools, I think. Okay, you can swap your face. First upload your face. Previous time I tried it, I let it. Okay, no, and to swap this face, you can see the image, and you can create any kind of face you like to do, and this kind of character, or you can simply upload. But first time I create, and I want to swap this face on here and create American captain. Okay, now face swap. Okay, swapping. Almost there, your image will be ready. Okay, now you can see, you can try it by yourself. Now I'm going to download. Okay, processing your download, please wait. Okay, now I can show you. Wow, it's cool, right? Next we're gonna use AI filter. Okay, you can use AI filter. Now I'm going to upload this image also, and you can create any kind of character or filter. Select still, you can use this. Okay, I use for Japan anime. Create generate. Okay, processing almost there. Your image will be ready in 10 seconds. In about 10 seconds. Okay, wait for 10 seconds. Okay, you can see. Cool, right? Now I'm going to download. Okay, now let's run. Expand it. Wow, really cool anime. Next we're going to create another headshot generator. Okay, pick one character or choose one style. I to use this one. Okay, recently I put this. I can use it previous time. Okay, you can expect your ratio. I click on generate. You can see this headshot will create here. You got two suggestions to pick, or you can download both of them. Okay. Two headshot image is created like professional man. Okay, let's see. Cool, right? See, it's really cool. Love it. Okay. Okay. Now you can simply create or make a passport photo. It's really easy. And first time, as I am Bangladeshi, then it's select your locations. You can select your locations as per your need. Okay, you can choose passport, visa ratio. Here I select on passport and make a photo. I can upload a photo, and you can see my image. And if I click here, upload, I click this, and it will generate image for passport. Almost there, your image will be ready in about 6 seconds. Okay, here you can see my image. One more amazing thing is you can find 4 and 6 as you like. Okay, if you want to download this digital photo, you can download it. I think and you can enhance this photo and its quality. Here you can find a photo enhancer. Upload this image. Okay, I found it in download. Okay, now it is start. You can enhance your photo. And it will generate a high quality image. Okay, I think it's done. You can see. Oh, now it's cool, right? You can download it. Okay, Next we're gonna use photo restoration. For we can upload old image, very old image. Okay, I upload this one. You can see previous time we remove watermark from here, and now we want to restorations it, and enhance its quality old to make new. Now start. At two options you will find colorizations and enhance. It will work in a few seconds. Okay, you can see the previous look and now after uploading this image and enhance restoration, enhance and colorize. Wow, it's so cool, right? Okay, you can download it. Okay, download is done. You can see the quality. It's cool, right? Next we're gonna use image and enlarger till use the image. And first of all, I want to show this kind of image, and I'll show you its property. Here you see size 160 KB. Okay, if I upload this, you get 2x, you can use 4x and larger, silver. Okay, we use 2x. In progress processing, please wait. Okay, now we click on download button, and okay, image is download. Now going to file locations. Okay, here you can see our image size is 7.610. I go into properties. Here you can see 7.6 7.0.6 MB. Okay, but previous time it was size 165 KB. Okay, I hope you understand the image photo image enhancer. Just let me show you photo enhancer. Now I want to show you background remover. You may be asked me we can use remove PG. That's why it's needs. If you are going to remove PG and it's pricing section, then we find, here you can see get full resolution images. You can see the prices. Okay, but we can get full resolutions images with background removed by upload image here. Image. Okay, it will provide you full resolutions and easily remove your background, but remove easy, it's not as you expect. You can see. Okay, I think you got an idea how AI is help you to make your day easier instead of using Photoshop or anything else. One more thing we're gonna show in the top. Click here. You can join the horizons to win $2,500 in cash prizes. Here you can see all the procedure. I hope you will read this and you will find the way how to do it. Okay, thanks for today. Hope we will see in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.